In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Calendar events to a file. This process is incredibly useful if you need to back up your events or share your calendar with someone who doesn't use Google Calendar. Plus, having a file copy of your calendar can be a lifesaver in situations where you need your schedule offline or for integration with other tools. Let's dive in and go through the steps you'll need to follow to export your Google Calendar events efficiently. First, we need to open Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to calendar.google.com in your web browser. Once you're on the Google Calendar homepage, you'll notice various calendars listed on the left side of the screen, each corresponded with a colored label. Now, say you want to export the events from a specific calendar, you'll begin by locating and selecting that calendar. You'll see three dots next to the calendar name. These three dots form a menu where you can access various options. Click on these dots to open the drop-down menu. The options here allow you to customize how you view or edit this particular calendar. The choice we're focusing on is Settings and Sharing. Select this option to proceed. After clicking on Settings and Sharing, you'll be taken to a new page, which will display a range of settings specific to that calendar. This is where you can manage how your calendar interacts with others and your content. Look down this page and you'll see an option at the bottom labeled Export Calendar. Click on it. What happens next is that your calendar events are prepared for download as a compressed file, typically a .zip file containing an .ical file, which is a standard format recognized by most calendar programs. Once you click Export Calendar, the download will start, and you should see the file available in your Downloads folder shortly. Remember, the resulting file is a .zip archive, so you'll need to extract it using a file extraction tool native to your computer's operating system or a third-party application if needed. By extracting it, you'll have access to your events in .ical format, which you can open with a variety of calendar applications for further use. This export feature is perfect if you're transitioning to another calendar tool or simply keeping a record of your scheduled commitments. It's a quick and seamless process that ensures your events are always handy, even when you're offline. And there you have it. With these steps, exporting your Google Calendar events to a file is made simple and efficient. Whether for sharing, backup, or cross-platform use, your schedule is now beautifully portable and ready to serve you wherever needed. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep your calendars in check and your events well organized.